Hello and welcome to the new part 16 to 22. This is part 16. We had a few problems before with my screen recorder not recording my voice. So I'm actually redoing part 16 to 22. Hopefully you can now hear my voice better since I fixed my mic and the volume won't be as low as before. So in part 16 what we're going to do is we're going to create a kind of test to check if our mouse is over the rocks, just so we can see if the point system is actually working. Okay, so to do that, open up your rock layer 1. I've already done that. And below your steal function, create a new function and call that on mouse enter. Now this function is recognized by Unity, and when your mouse actually enters the collider of the rock, which is right here, the box collider, when it enters that, then you get a registration. So basically it says yes, your mouse is in, and then whatever code is inside this function is executed. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to create a new, actually in your update function we're going to have to create one of them, because we have to make sure, last time I did this tutorial I put the registration, so like the input here, and the problem with that is this function is only called once, and that's when your mouse is enters. So if it enters and you wait and then click, it doesn't register your your key input. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say delete true, and then create that variable up here, delete equals true. I've made it private because I don't want anyone editing that in the editor. I want that to be kept private to the script. Okay, and to delete true in the function update, which is what we're going to create now. Whoops, oh my god. Okay, like that. If input dot get key down, we're gonna do key code dot for that we're gonna do, yeah, how about just B for now. Yeah, just B for now. And I have to add one more bracket in there. Alright, in here we're gonna do another if, and this time it's gonna be if delete is equal to true, then destroy game object. Make sure you have a little g there, or else it's gonna destroy more than just this game object. I think just put the little g in there, because when you put a little g as the game object, it means this item, so this object, and not every single game object with the rock layer 1 script. So now if I was to go in game, and I believe it was B, you can see it deletes, but what's happening is that it's adding everything in an array. What I have to do is on trigger, and on a mouse exit. So function on mouse exit, and change delete back to false. So you can see that when I click B, it only deletes what I'm over, and if I wait and then click B, it still deletes it. So that was the problem we were having last time, but I fixed it now. And so yeah, that's pretty much done. So that works great. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sync up the delete with our scoreboard. So in the destroy game object, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do HUD dot Let's find that variable for that, and it's points. So HUD.points plus equal current type. Now the reason I'm passing in current type, which is this, and not an int, a number, is because in our enum up here, we can see that we've already set our, so our kind of enum to a value. So normal is equal to 1, copper is equal to 2, iron is equal to 3. I'm going to increase these to 10, 20, 30, 40 to have a bit bigger numbers to play with. So now if I hit B, you can see that my points are rising as I destroy the game objects. Okay, so that's looking very, very good. Yeah, like that. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. In the next one we're gonna carry on with it, and we're gonna do some more cool stuff. Alright, bye bye.